Hello. Yes, we welcome you back to PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet. And it's me, Richard, here. So we are looking at another question here. Calculate the time taken to reach maximum height about this ball. It's the same ball we looked at previously. It was projected at 20 meters per second. It reached maximum height and then returned to the point of projection. So they want time to reach maximum height. First of all, that's going to be delta t. So what information do you have? You have VI, which is 20 meters per second. You have G, which is negative 9.8 meters per second squared. And what else do you know? You know VF because they're talking about maximum height. VF is 0. So this is the information you have. The question is, this information leads you to what equation? It leads you to VF equals to VI plus A delta T. What is VF? 0. What is VI? 20. A is negative 9.8 delta T. This one gives you 9.8 delta T, which is equal to 20. So it gives you delta T, which is equal to 20 over 9.8. And what do we get here? We get 2.04. 2.04 seconds. Yeah, then we come to this question. It says, calculate the time taken from point of projection to maximum height, then back to point of projection. They want time for the entire journey. From point of projection to maximum height, then coming back. Okay, what information do we have? We are looking for delta T. This time around, we don't know it. Okay, what else do we know? We know VI, which is 20 meters per second. We know G, which is negative 9.8 meters per second squared. Okay, we know something here. We know delta X is 0. I want us to explain why delta X is 0. Okay, this is the trajectory we have. A ball was projected upwards. It reached maximum height and the ball came back. So if this was delta X and we call it positive, then it covered the negative delta X. So the total sum of the displacement covered is 0. That's why we have it here as 0. So with that and this information, what do? We quote the right formula. It says delta X is equal to VI delta T plus a half A delta T squared. Okay, do we know delta X? Yes, it is 0. Do we know initial velocity? It is 20. And we are looking for time. but this one is a half times negative 9.8 delta t squared. When you reach this level, you can simplify and say 0 is equal to 20 delta t, okay, minus 4.9 delta t squared. With that, what do we do? This one can come this side and becomes 4.9 delta t squared is equal to 20 delta t. You can simplify by first dividing into delta t. So what we get out of this is going to be 4.9 delta t giving you 20. Okay, so what is going to be delta t? Delta t is going to be 20 divided by 4.9. Let us see what we get. So you get your answer as this. Okay. But I want also to tell you, if you can still remember, that we can use time symmetry. We can use time symmetry. Okay, what does it say? Remember, we found time taken to reach maximum height, and we found it as 2.04. So if you multiply this by 2, you are supposed to get the time for the entire journey if the object under consideration returned to the point of projection. So what do we get here? We're going to get 4.08 seconds. And with that, would like to thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to refer this channel to a friend. Bye-bye.